delete Instagram account? If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you're bored of using your Instagram application and your Instagram account and you would like to delete your Instagram account, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Instagram out there. After you find the very Instagram application, you have to tap on Instagram, and after you tap on Instagram, Instagram will be launched on your very mobile device. After Instagram is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the profile section in the down portion and then go to the three lines on the top. After that, you have to go to the option of the settings and privacy. After you move to the settings and privacy, you can see an interface like this. Now you can go to the option of the account status there, and after you can go to the account status, you can see an interface like this. Now what you can do is you can go to the next option as well. Now you have to go to the very option here, and then you have to go to the option of the account center. After you tap on the option of the account center, you can see an interface like this, and then tap on the accounts once again, and on the option of the accounts here, or the option of the profiles, now you can see an interface like this. Now if you would like to delete, you have to tap on your very Instagram application or your Instagram account here, and then you can go to the option of delete your very account from the Instagram, and this way you can permanently delete your account from here. And also going to the option of the your information and the permissions, what you can do is you can just delete your account here, and this way you can directly for permanently be out of the Instagram there. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.